Together, right?
Yes, you should be working in partners. If you get stuck, make sure you ask your partner for help first.
Okay, fine, let's do this. Multiply your ends, right? Renee, so this is rectangle area.
I like how Jackie helped Littlefield find the equation who finishes first. So Noah, what's the next step? Are you guys working together? Do your areas match?
Oh, I'm trying to show my area.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Oh, no, you're right.
Is there anything that
Wait.
sounds like
That
any of
should be
these
right.
words
It
that
is, right?
sounds like
Okay.
first? What is this shape?
Triangle.
Okay, so we know it's not triangle, so let's eliminate that.
Well,
But they're two triangles.
What does
That's
this
why I'm
square look like?
right? So
Are
what's
there any
the
squares on
formula
there?
for- well, you
No.
already know,
No,
so
so let's
what's
cross that
half
off.
that would be
Is
the
there any
radius?
circles on there?
No.
Is there any rectangles on there?
See, that's the thing. I don't know if this is a rectangle or is this a rectangle.
Do we know what?
We're adding it up.
Okay, so between the two of these, looking at our equations, which of these equations looks easier?
This one.
And which of these shapes looks easier?
This one.
So I would assume,
That's a trapezoid.
yes, that's probably a good rationale.
For this,
Miss, what math is this?
16,
This
one,
is,
two.
at some point,
That's because I don't
they
cut
have
in
to be
between the
touching,
lines.
so even if it's like, yeah, like
It's
that,
not that serious.
and then like this was over here,
Math
that's
is super
fine.
serious.
Oh, all six of
All
them
six have to be touching. They don't have to be like perfectly touching, like your shape would look like this, where they're just barely touching, but they do have to be touching, because you want to find the area of a new shape.
To give us these shapes.
Why do you think it's intentional?
You'll see.
If you find the shape, if you find a shape like this, are you cutting off some of the area if you do that?
Oh. Not if it's.
No.
Good, so yeah, so just be sure that they don't overlap on yours.
But how do you glue them, miss?
They're glued onto here.
Oh, onto
Glue 'em with
here.
the glue stick,
So
so-
you see right here, it says
All right,
place
all
in a
right.
new shape below.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Awesome.
Are you just gonna paste before you try and piece them together?
Well, I have an image in mind.
And now we're gonna add it. So John told me earlier that we didn't even need to do this. We could just add up all the areas because the area on these ones would all be the same once we put it into a picture.
Okay. Sounds great. Okay, if I give you some sort of a weird shape, like this, do you see that there's kind of like,
Two shapes inside of it.
at least, right? Like maybe we could even do this, and this, and this. If I broke that into 4 shapes, could I do the same strategy that you guys just did right here?
Yes.
Alright, so what
Strategy?
did you guys do to find the area of both of your
We just
We added the areas.
So did that strategy work with yours and yours?
Yes, we don't know if it's correct, but it worked.
Well, if we both got the same answer, I would assume that you're probably correct. But when we collect them, I can definitely check it. Yes. Nice job. Alright, this group, did you guys find anything? Would we be able to do a similar activity to what we just did? And this, we can take a raise of hand. How could we find the area of a weird looking shape like this? Does anybody have any ideas about that? Yes, yes, yes. I see 3 hands. Alright. Oh, I see 5, 6 hands. Okay. I'm gonna roll my dice. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. What do you think that we should do to find the area of the shape?
I think that we could split it up because the top of the house looks like a triangle, so we could draw a line from one corner to the other, and then underneath we would have a square-ish thing.
So could I make like 3 shapes?
Sure.
So 2
I think that
times.
would work still. And then we could take the area of the different pieces and then add them all up.
Awesome. I think that's a really good
Only
strategy.
given the appropriate dimensions.
True. If I had numbers, that might help.